Stop playing games for fun. Start playing games for money. On today's video, I will guide you on how you can earn money while playing simple games on your phone. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose and not a get rich quick scheme. You can do your own research if you want. All you need to do is to go to your Play Store and download this particular app. I'll be dropping the link in the description, and when you click the link in the description, you will go to Play Store and download the app. After downloading the app, it will bring you to this interface. Just wait a moment, let it open. All you have to do in this particular app is to play game and you in. So let me just play a little game. And this particular game is a game of testing the brain. You can just play something like they will just tell you to cut this in so that it will match up to this place. You can see I won this particular level. Then look at me, let me play this one. All you need to do is just to break this into two and let it fall apart. Where I did not get this one, you can see restart it. So if you don't know what to play, you can press on these tips down here. You can watch a little ad and then you play. They will give you tips on how you can win the level. So let me show you around the app. Here is where you can withdraw from. All you need to do is tap on this particular icon here that you see quick withdrawal. When you tap on this quick withdrawal here, this one over here, just tap on it once. When you tap on it, you will see yourself in this interface. And how you withdraw on this app is when you get all these points here. When you are able to get like all these points over here, and these points can be gotten with your start, the how many stars you get on a particular level. This point is what is gonna get you this particular one here. This particular one is what you need to use on this level for you to win it. For you to withdraw your money, you have to get it up to 100. Look at me, I'm at 75 over 100. So all you need to do is just to continue playing your game. Whenever you get up to 20 stars, you come and claim 5. Then you get 5 points until the game. So until this thing fulls, then you can apply for withdrawal, and you can see it's quick withdrawal. So you can, let me just say something of 24 hours it will arrive. Then you can also withdraw from here, but this one is will take time. Let's go back. It will take time for you to withdraw if you are withdrawing from here. Just tap on this particular one here. This is the one I'm talking about. This one over here. If you are to withdraw from here, it's gonna take a time before you can reach the minimum withdrawal. You can see the minimum withdrawal is 1,000 naira. You can see if I press it will show that I'm not up to the amount, and 1,000 points of this part, 1,000 gems is equals to 10 naira. So it's gonna take time, but the best one for you to withdraw is this quick withdrawal. Then you can withdraw your amount. Then you can complete all these tasks. Like this particular one, you can complete this particular task. If you like, you can invite your friends. If you don't like, you can still leave it. Then just invite people all over here. Then you can just withdraw your money ASAP. So that is it for this particular game. All you need to do on the game is just to play and in. You don't have to stress yourself very much. And if you need me to, you don't have to stress yourself very much. And if you need me to recommend some app that you need to play game and in more, I also have much app that I'm still using right now that I can in on it. If you find any value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.